So in our modern day world, there is a lot of output into the external, taking care of family, taking care of work, going here, running around, there's a lot of outward activity. Now, when we talk about balance, we're often trying to bring that back to ourselves. That output now becomes input. And where can we bring in the self-care, the rejuvenation, and what are the tools to do that? Ayurveda has a deep understanding about how to do this. Ayurveda understands that there are 5 elements in the universe: ether, air, fire, water, and earth. For example, when we're stressed, we will show patterns of imbalance. And for each person, that's going to manifest differently. For example, if someone's space or ether element is out of balance, they might feel more spaced out or out in the clouds. Their head is sort of in different places. They might feel loneliness. This is when the space element has gone out of balance. For someone else, it might be more the air element. They may feel scattered, they may feel grounded, they may feel like they're going in different directions, and that's where the air element is out of balance. For another person, it might be the fire element, and the fire element might manifest as angry outbursts or frustration, and that's that fire element that's going off balance. In another person, it might be water element out of balance, and this is when somebody might feel more deep attachment or overly emotional in stressful situations. And for another person, it might be the earth element. And this is where people might feel stuck and unmotivated and unable to move into new situations. So when we look at those 5 elements and how they manifest in us, now we can have those tools, and Ayurveda has those tools to help you understand how to bring that balance back.